The excavator came from this direction, through the back of this field, across this waterway. And we will follow the tracks. They attempted a couple times to try to find a way in the river, couldn't, and came through here. They went in there. And there are tracks going through this bush. This is where he came out through the bush. Tried to get to the river here. And then came back. So from here, back through the bushes. This is where they had come through that bush. Forward here. Mowed this tree down. Tracks continue. We're now behind Merx's again. Tracks continue here. Running parallel to the river right now. And I keep going. Attempted to find a place into the river there. Didn't work. Kept going. Attempted to go in here. Backed up, kept going. And then get here, back in the corner. To the area where they actually went into the river. When they came back out through here. Went back somewhat the way they came. You can see multiple tracks. Those were the incoming tracks over there. These are the outgoing tracks over here. Again, incoming tracks over there. Or sorry, yeah, incoming over there. Outgoing over here. Until we come to the waterway that they crossed. On the way out in a second location. Way over there is where they went in. Over here is where they came out. And the bank is all scuffed up. And the tracks continue out of the farmer's field.